Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ETF screening with Morningstar detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate ETF screening with Morningstar, start by visiting the Morningstar website. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type ETF screener into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of resources related to ETFs. Click on the link that directs you to the ETF screener tool. Once the page loads, you'll find various filtering options. The first step is to define the region for your ETF search. Select the appropriate region from the drop-down menu. Next, specify the asset class that interests you. This could include options like equities, fixed income, or alternatives. Move on to the performance section to set your preferences. Here, you can choose metrics such as 1-year returns or 5-year returns. To further refine your search, utilize the cost options. Input the maximum expense ratio you're willing to consider. You may also specify any other cost-related criteria. Next, explore the risk metrics available. Select from options like standard deviation or Sharpe ratio to gauge risk. Once you have set all your preferences, look for the screen button. Click the button to generate your ETF results. The platform will display a list of ETFs that meet your criteria. You can further analyze each ETF by clicking on its name. This will take you to a detailed overview of the selected ETF. Here, you can find information on performance, risk, and holdings. Once you are satisfied with your selections, consider saving the list. Look for a save option to keep your screened ETFs for future reference. If you need to make adjustments, use the filter options at any time. This process allows for a tailored ETF screening experience. Now you are equipped to use Morningstar for effective ETF screening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.